Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Activity Book, page 44. Oh. Activity Book, page 44. For Food with Friends. These are the things we will learn in this unit. There's really nothing we have to do on this page, so we're going to skip it. Let's go to page 45, though. All right, let's write the words. Write them, guys. Nogam. I like nogams. Just kidding. It's not nogam. It's mango. Mango, 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 mango. What's that one? What is this fruit? It's a banana. Banana. It's a banana. It's a banana. Hooty hoot. Ah! It's a worm in a banana. Yikes. That's scary. Banana. How about bird? Birda. Bread. All right. Stop the video. Do it yourself. What is this? Burger. Burger. Not booger. Boogerty. 是 BT. Woo. Don't eat boogers. Yucky. It's chicken. Whoopity-doo. And of course, this is chocolate. 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 And dazzle? No. Salad. And water. Chocolate, salad, water. All right, that was easy. Let's listen and say these, then listen and match. All right, first we'll listen and say.
2. Listen and say.
Listen and say 的意思是重复说。
Mango.
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 A.
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 Cake.
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 Cake. Okay, that was easy. Now, let's listen and match. 但是我要先告诉你，那 A 字母发2个声音，其中一个就是它的声音 啊，第二个是它的名字 A。什么时候发 A， 什么时候发 A？ 一般来说，如果是单独一个 A 字母，它会发 A。如果是一个 magic E 的 A， 它会变成 A。你们知道 magic E 是什么？是不是 A E R 但是如果你加一个 magic E 在他们的后面，他们会发自己的名字，所以 A 什么 E，A 发 A。比如说 Kate, cat, Kate. All right. E 什么 E？ feet, feet. All right. 如果你不知道 magic E 是什么，那我觉得你应该要去学习我们的自然拼读课程。我觉得如果你在这里，你一定知道 magic E 是什么。所以如果有 magic E， 它发 A； 如果没有，它发 A。Let's listen and say.
2. Listen and match.
Mango.
Mango.
A.
A.
Cake.
Cake. A.
1. Salad.
Salad 是 a 的声音还是 a 的声音
Salad.
Salad. Salad.
2. Cat.
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 Yes.
3. Paper.
尝试做得比我还要快
Paper.
Paper.
4. Lemonade.
Lemon.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
5. Bag. Bag.
Bag. No. Bag. Bada bing, bada boom. Next page. The friendly farm, the friendly farm. Read and tick the things Gracie likes. What does Gracie like? Well, read it and you'll know. Gracie says, I like cake, bananas, bread, socks, and books. All right, let's tick these things. Cake. Tick. And we'll cross it out. Bananas. Where are the bananas? Oh, there they are. Tick. Cross it out. Bread. Bread, 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 bread. Tickety-doo-dah. Cross it out. Socks. Gracie likes socks. Tick. Cross it out. And books. Gracie likes to eat books. Yucky. Do you think Gracie likes salad? I think Gracie likes salad. I think Gracie likes crayons too. I think Gracie likes everything. 她所有都喜欢. Let's listen and match the animals with the things they like. Okay, what does he like? He likes. 你记得 he, she, it 或者一个人的名字就是 likes. He likes chocolate 好像. He likes 什么 He likes 什么 He likes 什么 Let's see what they like.
2. Listen and match the animals with the things they like.
Okay.
1.
Do you like chocolate, Cameron?
Meow.
Yes, I do.
Meow.
Why is he like, yes, I do. Why is he like that? Cameron, are you okay? Okay. Cameron, do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. Yes, I do like chocolate.
2.
Yuck. I don't like books.
I like books.
Okay. Yucky. I don't like books. That was Harry who said that. What did Rocky say? He said, I like books. Rocky likes books.
3.
What do you like, Harry?
I don't like books or chocolate. I like mangoes.
I don't like books or chocolate. I like mangoes. Harry likes mangoes.
4.
What do you like, Shelley?
Bah. I like water. I can see my face in water.
What does she like? She likes water. I can see my face in water. This is AJ's face. I can see my face in the water. Nah, my face is in the water. Okay. Read and circle. Read it and circle it. Read it and circle it. Hoodle doodle doo. Hoodle doodle doo. I like bread or I don't like bread. All right. Do you like bread? Ni喜不喜欢 bread? If you like bread, you would circle, I like bread. If you don't like bread, you would circle, I don't like bread. I like bread. I love bread. Bread is so yummy. Bread is my best friend. Hi, Bready. Are you ready to go out and play? Yeah, I'm ready to go out and play. Woohoo! Yee. Bread boy. Okay. Let's see. I like chicken or I don't like chicken. I like chicken. I like chicken. Oh, but the chicken is sad. I died. Do you like bananas? Da doo 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 doo. I like bananas. I like bananas. Do you like lemonade? Do you like lemonade? I like lemonade. I like lemonade. Do you like water? I don't like water. Water is bad. When I drink water, it's yucky. I don't like water. I don't like cake. I don't like salad. I don't like mangoes. What about you? 你发到我们的群里. Do you like these things or do you not like these things? All right. Read and match the colors. He doesn't like milk. Now, 为什么这是 doesn't 而不是 don't? 因为你看 he, she, it 或者一个人的名字，我们不用don't， 我们用 doesn't。而且如果我们用 doesn't， 我们不用加上一个 s， 所以 he likes milk 的意思是他喜欢 milk， 但是 he doesn't like milk 才对。你不能说 he doesn't likes milk。Okay? He doesn't like milk, so we're looking for one of these. Doesn't like, doesn't like. Doesn't like milk. He doesn't like milk. Doo-doo-doo-dee. If you have crayons, you can color this orange like this. Okay. He doesn't like milk. Next. She doesn't like burgers. 她不喜欢 burgers. She doesn't like burgers. 你自己画，自己尝试做完，然后过来。She doesn't like burgers. Doesn't like burgers. Noise. Good noise. He likes salad. He likes salad. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. He likes salad. He likes salad. He doesn't like cats. He doesn't like cats. Aw, I like cats. I love cats. I want cats to be my pet. Do you have cats? She likes bananas. She likes bananas. She likes bananas in her ear. She likes bananas. She likes bananas. She likes bananas in her ear. What? She likes school. Do you like school? I like school. School is fun. This purple looks more like gray or black. Bada bing, bada bim. We're donezo. Okay, that's it for today's video. It's a short video. I'll see you next time. Bye.